And so friends, here's a little walkthrough of my little boy album, which you can see I've added a few more elements than I have on the little girl one. If we watch the little girl one first, the albums are identical. I have just used sorry, different paper. Obviously the little boy range for the little boy one, and the little girl one in the little girl range. I've used quite a few more chippies in this one, and I just left them plain. So opening up, same thing. I have the inserts, and just remember, while it's still new, it's quite difficult to maneuver some of your pieces, but once you've used it for a while, they seem to go back into their, into their own spaces. Here's the pull out, so it's your insert giving you that extra bit of space for photos. Page 1, we've got the pull out, so again, space for the first year basically. Page 2, we've got what I'm calling the rotating waterfall. So it also rotates and also just closes back in one position, and the same thing. I haven't decorated these because by the time you've added the photos, it's going to be thick enough, or it's going to be really thick. Opening onto page 3, and we have our little pop-up. I honestly enjoyed working with this little boy paper a lot more than the little girl paper. Opening up onto, so it's exactly the same, really exactly the same, and all I've done is I've taken the little tags and I created like a little pocket here, so I've only glued on 3 sides, which I've done in the little girl one as well. And here we've got our pocket, and we've got our little moving part, which is our, oops, it nearly didn't move there for a while. We've got our little hot air balloon that moves, other places you'll go. Okay, and then finally on the back page, again we have space to put all our leftovers and our bits and pieces. I used little bits and pieces of the paper, and then I used a bit of stencil work on the side. So this is the little boy version.